Euclid's postulates. Euclid has given many postulates. Here, we will discuss some of them. First postulate states that 2 points determine a line segment. In other words, we can say that a straight line may be drawn from one point to any other point. In this example, we can say that there is one and only one line drawn from these 2 points P and Q. Second postulate states that a line segment can be extended indefinitely along a line. We have a line segment AB. It has 2 endpoints A and B on this line. And the line segment can be produced from both sides to form a straight line. And the third postulate states that a circle can be drawn with the center and any radius. This is the center of a circle and this is the radius of a circle. The fourth postulate states that all right angles are congruent. In other words, we can say that all right angles are equal to one another. For example, we have 2 right angles, P and Q. Angle P is equal to angle Q since both are right angles. Let us arrange the angles in such a way that the orientation of the angles have changed. You can observe that after changing the orientation, angle P remains equal to angle Q. The fifth postulate states, if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together to be less than 2 right angles, then the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than 2 right angles. Here, angle 1 is equal to 70 degrees and angle 2 is equal to 100 degrees. Adding 1 and 2, we have 170 degrees, which is less than 180 degrees. Now, let us produce the lines of the side at which these angles lie. On producing, we can see that the 2 lines intersect as stated in the postulate.